Hello there, welcome to Tere Technique. We have this Porsche Cayenne today, and this is from the 2013 year model. As you can see, we have removed its conventional PCM unit, head unit, and we have installed a massive big 12.3 inches display. Here you can see it is completely fitting on its own place. The ventilations from left or right hand side, they are shifted on the bottom, and here you can see all original buttons like steering wheel buttons, or everything is working. We have some controls here as well. Here you can see the installation is like 100% on its same place. Plus we have installed reversing camera with the car. So here you can see the car has the parking sensors, and from factory parking sensor, and this is the aftermarket back camera that we have installed. And I will park, though it will go again to the Android home menu or Android menu. So here you can see right now from the home menu we have lots of applications, navigation, and other apps. Here you can see we have, first of all, then again we have phone. Right now my phone is connected, so I will start the CarPlay. Here you can see this is the CarPlay function that is wireless completely. You do not need to connect it with the wire. Here you can see all my navigations or systems are appearing. Here is the ways that I'm using. Right now we are at Malmvägen 18D, Sollentuna, Stockholm, Sweden. Or here you can see like all the applications from my mobile phone or iPhone are appearing here, like phone, music, maps, messages now playing, like car, podcast, audiobooks, calendar, settings. From settings you can change different themes or other settings for apps. Easy Park, Google Maps, we have Google Maps as well. Here you can use Google Maps like this. So it's a massive big complete full screen display and full screen CarPlay. Then we have Skype or other like meeting apps, Teams, Viber, WhatsApp, Waze, same like Zoom if you want to attend calls while driving or meetings while driving. So that's the options for CarPlay. Then we have music shortcut, and this is the clock, and when I will press this radio button, we have radio button as well. We have we need to change FM. So here you can see, so that's the radio. Then again, if we go to app menu, first we have themes. From here you can change the different themes. Right now I have some pre-installed themes here, this one that we are using right now. And then again we have one like this. If I switch to this, then everything will appear like this. And from here we have lots of other applications. I can change the theme again to the previous one from here. So this looks like more like a Porsche original theme. And then we have APK installer, CarMate, do fun play, some car settings. From here you can adjust different settings: display, sound, general, original, reverse, voice settings. Then we have voice settings for like communication, and then we have weather information, but for this I need to connect it with the internet. Then we have aux, Android GPS test, phone, boot animation, car settings. There are some car settings to check out the car settings. It depends on which car, which setting you have in your car. Then we have like Chrome, Google Chrome, like you can use internet while driving, or you can search anything from Chrome. Then we have like equalizer. This is the DSP equalizer sound chip installed in this head unit. Then again we have Facebook, File Manager, Google, Gyroscope. This is the iGo navigation that works completely for whole Europe without internet. Here you can see, if I go again back, so here you can see we are at Malmvägen. So I will close this and go again to the app menu. Here we have like maps, music, Play Store, quick picture, radio, steering wheel. T-Link 5 is the Apple Carplay function. Then we have video function, so you can do it for full screen as well like this. It's an HD video playback. Here you can see the quality of the screen. This is a very impressive screen with the HD screen features. Plus we have YouTube, but right now my device is not connected with the internet. So there are two types of internet connectivity for the screen. One is like with the SIM card. Here we have installed one SIM card slot to use internet, and other is USB. Then all original systems are working with the car. Just you will miss this navigation like this. Here you can see navigation will not appear in the car. Plus the audio, like your phone will connect here, but like car original information will appear here like this, but you will lose the Bluetooth or navigation PCM functions. Basically the PCM function that all you have in your previous head unit you will lose. But we will soon upgrade its digital cluster as well. So with the digital cluster you will get all new features in the car, and this are compatible with this head unit as well. So that's the video for today. If you have any questions, queries, you can contact us on our email address, or I will provide all the contact information in the description below. So that's the video for today. If you have any Porsche Cayenne Panamera, you can check down the video of the Porsche Panamera as well. We have installed same screen for Porsche Panamera that looks very good with the new cars. And if you have any queries, questions, you can contact us. Feel free to contact us.